Hi everyone, Mike Hano, instructor for the Canadian Ski Guide Association. We've had a few questions regarding the rope rescue bag and what it's all about, so I thought I'd give you a quick demo. We advocate using a rope rescue bag to make your rescue a lot faster, a lot more efficient, and keep your gear organized. So you can see what I've done with this, just a very simple stuff sack, and it's a nylon stuff sack that I've melted a hole in at the bottom. I've passed the tail of the rope through and I've tied it to the loop so that I don't lose the bag, and it's just a figure 8 on a bite here. So if I get called to a rope rescue situation, I can quickly ski to the seam, probe the area quickly. If I need to, I take my skis off once the seam is secure. I can make a quick ski anchor, have a guest sit behind the quick ski anchor, and then I just pull this out of my pack and it's essentially ready to go. So in there I open it up, my harness sits on top, my skis are off for my quick ski anchor. And the leg loops are pretty wide and open, so even with ski boots, this is rather quick and easy. Slide it up. It's got a double back auto tether. Quickly with my leg loops, and then I can take my rope bag, and my gear is essentially preset here. So you can imagine if this was a quick ski anchor instead of a door hanger, I'd be able to do a quick 2 wraps around my ski anchor, get my anchor point set up, then I go back to my harness here. So because this is a small diameter rope, I've got a monster munter in place. My master attachment point is already ready. That goes into the anchor. My prusik is already wound and ready. I just have to unfurl it. I do my ABCD checks, so my anchor, I load test the anchor. I make sure the carabiners are locked, figure 8 is correct. Buckles, I quickly double check the buckles on my harness, make sure everything's threaded through correctly. Check my carabiners, squeeze the gates. Check my device, I've got my monster munter and it's threaded through correctly with the backup prusik brake. E for the end of the knot on my rope, and H, of course, I have my helmet with me. And then what I can do with this throw bag is I can just clip it with a carabiner to my harness, and that way my hands are free and I can work my way to the edge as I'm probing to ensure that there's no further hazard. And then I leave this rope bag clipped to my harness so that when I rappel into the crevasse or off the snow bridge or whatever it is, I don't lose my rope and potentially it gets caught or cinched inside an ice crack or under some snow, and then it basically gets pinched and I can't get it back out. So the rope stays with me, all the gear is organized, and it's very quick and efficient. So get yourself a stuff sack, and you can see it's a very simple process. It's not a lot of money, maybe like $10. Guaranteed it'll save you a ton of time on your rescues, and it'll just keep your gear organized. Good luck, we'll see you on course.